Healthcare capital planning is complex, balancing clinical needs, compliance, and budgets. And every decision has long-term impact. But too often the data behind those decisions is scattered across spreadsheets and static documents, with no single source of truth, making it hard to track requirements, maintain accuracy, and ensure funding goes where it matters most. dRofus changes that. Purpose-built for healthcare facilities, dRofus centralizes space planning and design standards, from room layouts to equipment needs, so teams can see the full picture of the capital plan. With real-time data and connected teams, you can plan smarter, forecast better, and make confident, data-driven decisions that deliver quality spaces for the best patient experiences. Bringing teams confidence knowing that every dollar, every room, and every decision is informed by reliable data. dRofus, powering smarter, more connected capital planning.